The subject which gives logical, systematic understanding of things to enhance our knowledge with names like Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, etc. Yes, that science subject. It is very hard to understand, but it is used in our day-to-day life. Now let's enjoy some science magic tricks performed on the stage by our students.
Good morning all. I will show you some magic tricks with science. My first magic trick is magic balloon. I will add 15 ml vinegar into the test tube. Then I had added 1 scoop of baking soda into the balloon through funnel. Now I will lift the balloon slowly so it gets inflated. So now it will get slowly inflated. So how do you like it? It happened because carbon dioxide gas is released and a reaction takes place which fills up the balloon. So my next magic trick is underwater volcano. I will add 10 ml of water into the test tube through Now I will add 2 drops of red color. Now I will take 1/2 scoop of baking soda and pour it into the test tube. Now we will take 20 ml of vegetable oil and pour it into the test tube. Lastly, we will add 1/2 scoop of citric acid also. So now slowly you can see the volcano is coming up. I hope you all like my today's magic tricks. Thank you.